What's going on, fellas? This is Ted with SCD. Thought I'd come out here and just make a little quick video on some things I've been working on. I decided that I was gonna treat myself to a little bit of scenery. I don't normally buy scenery. I try to do everything myself, but I needed some bleachers, grandstands, and I was been shopping around, looking around, and something that'll fit my my layout, you know, and small enough, not too big. And I think I found something, and it's from our good friend in the YouTube verse. Our good friend Dan from Slot Valley Racing. Get Your Heart Racing from Canada. He put together a little package for me. I bought 2 grandstands from him. He's doing some 3D printing, and I seen that, and I thought, yeah, I'm going to support Dan on this. Got a little bit of extra money. I'll go ahead and pick me up a couple. So he packaged them all up, and these are all the little extra goodies that he threw in there. He's got these plaques here that are actually the bench seats for the grandstands, and I'll go around there and show them to you in just a second. But these extra ones, I'm thinking about maybe placing them in here on the lower portion of this helix, because what I've been doing the last couple weeks, I'm coming in and I'm boxing the whole bottom in, and of course, as we move around this, it gets taller. Each section gets taller by about, oh, I think it's 1/8 or 1/4 inch. And you can see here where it just keeps coming around. And eventually, you know, they get to be some pretty good sized pieces. And eventually we'll get over here and they get big. And then, but we're gonna box it all in. Here's these little grandstands I picked up from Dan. I really like these. I think they're pretty cool. He threw, I guess, I don't know if these come with it, but they came in the bag. I guess it's part of the grandstand. An ice machine with a soda machine next to it. You kind of serve yourself there. There's a awning here. There'll be somebody inside working the little snack bar that's down there, or the bar. I'll put a light in there. I have 2 of them here. I still got to do the awning for this one. But it also has a snack bar. Eric, if you're watching this, you see that number 9 Sunoco Camaro, 69 Camaro? We'll be racing that, and we're going to be racing the 16 Mustang. I believe it's also a 69, maybe a 70. And we're going to race these, and we're going to race for bragging rights. Pony Wars, buddy, Pony Wars. That's what it's about. These 2 cars were definitely there. They were a part of it. But yeah, this is the grandstands. I think they turned out pretty nice. They're real easy to put together. There's only 4 main pieces to the structure, and then you put in your bench rests on there for sit your butt down on there. I pulled out a few different cars this weekend. Kind of going back in time to Trans Am era and getting some of these American cars back out and running, and cleaning them up and getting them tuned up best you can, you know, lubed up, tuned up, scuffed tires. The Camaro right there, it's a beautiful car. Just picked that up too. But yeah, that's what I've been doing, and we're gonna. Oh, I also have, I show you, I have a dimmer switch on here for my lighting. If you watch the lighting, so it gets so bright. It gets so bright you can't see. And when I'm losing a race and I'm over here, I just flip it on real high and it blinds the other guy and he wrecks. And then I turn it back down and continue racing. No, I don't. But anyway, hey, we're going on. I think it's about 3 weeks now. No alcohol, no tobacco. I got a lot of energy to burn, and I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with all this energy. So I've just been coming out here cleaning up on my track, getting some cars cleaned up, and just having a little bit of fun out here, fellas. Kind of a unique track. It's a lot of fun. I wish some of you guys could get over here and race it, because it's high speed and hard braking, man, and it's a lot of fun. Anyway, I'll let you go, man. Talking too much and rambling on, so anyway, this is Ted with SCD Raceway. Nice talking with you guys. Stay true to yourselves, guys. Keep them coming, man. Keep the videos coming, and have a great night. We'll talk to you guys later.